Yo, what's poppin', guys? Back with another video. We're gonna be playing Monster Jam. So ready? Here we go. Right into the Monster Jam. Yo, we're playing Monster Jam. Let's go. Let's get this shit ready. Here we go. We're going into this goddamn match. We'll be doing drag racing. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Lead up. I'm winning. So here I go. I'm gonna pass this shit. I'm gonna be going into the goddamn finish line right there. And I think I just won. Yup. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Too early. Well, guess what? I fucked up right there. Because I should have took off a lot fucking early. I meant later. So, goddamn. I'll be pissed if I, did that even earlier. Ugh. Guess you guys lost it. Now we're back in the fucking garage. Right back in the fucking garage again. So here we go. We're gonna see if we can buy shit. Yup, there we are. Nothing. Don't have money for shit. So here we go again. We're gonna go to that. We don't have enough money. Now we're going back to this. The goddamn monster truck. So here we go. Gonna pick the fucking monster truck already. Holy shit. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we are. We got a great head start, so I think we're gonna win this one. Here we go. Right there, I fucking chewed it just a little. And we passed the finish line. Holy shit. Bro, I'm gonna think we're gonna win this whole fucking game. If I win this whole fucking game, give me like 30 likes. Fucking baby. Alright. Look at this shit. I already got a perfect fucking start and I can run over and shit like this. I'm going out of bounds and it should be like, I'm out, like right there. I should be out of that shit. But guess what? I fucking won again. And here I go again. A great fucking start. Right there. Great. Great. And we're gonna pass this shit perfect. Watch. Right there. And then right here, I'm trying to get out of a little control. Right there. So this shit is so amazing. Like, god damn, bro. Look, now I'm fucking this, like, trying to wreck shit. Now look at this shit. This is fine. Perfect fucking start right here. And right here, I kind of messed up on the turn just a little. I overturned right there. Right here is good. I wrecked it, but I don't fucking care, bro. I fucking made masterpieces. And right there is how you fucking win a game. It's got 4,000 bucks. See this shit? Holy shit, it's got 4,000 fucking bucks. And look at this, I'm gonna start a new one. Ready? If this is a freestyle. Ready? Fuck this. I'm not doing that shit. I'm gonna be like going up there. I'm gonna be like fucking ruining this whole fucking thing. Be going up there again. I'll be doing that for him too. I'll be like wrecking everything. I'll be going on the fucking back foot, but I barely made. So like holy shit. This shit is the best right here. Whoa. Right there. Right there. Now fuck this, like screw this shit. I'm be on my fucking turns. Right there. Right there. See this shit? Oh my goodness. It's like my mama's dick. Look at that. Oh, fucking ruined that dick. Ah. Oh, I'm a fucking flip right there. No, don't flip. There we are. God damn. Here we go again. We go up that fucking ramp. And there you go. And you respawn. I lost all my shit. I don't care. Only 1 second left. And we're done. Let's see how I did. Terrible. I get shit for that. I only got like 1,000 bucks. So I'm picking a different map. We'll give me like, I don't know, like 30,000 something like that. And look at this shit. It's so hard. Like whoever made this map is bullshit. Bullshit. I mean bullshit. Yo, I'm keep on going, but nah, he's not gonna stop me. But then look, I go right there. And then right here, I fucking go out of control. And I have to get back on my fucking side, but I can't, it's so hard. But there, I fucking messed up. dude, I fucking got the next round. I can't believe that. But then here we go. Oh my god, bro. I go fucking on the ramp. And guess what? I think I got this. Then, when I say I got it, guess what happens? That right there. Never fucking say that. Because I will have to drum on as a bitch, right? Oh my god. So here we go again. I'm gonna be fucking like betting and be like, it's a great start, but like, then it's bullshit. Here we go. Right here, right here. Right there. That's it. Okay. Right here we go. We go back on the side. There you go. Okay, here we go again. So we just got the final. I can't believe we're in the final. So here we go. Great start. Here we go. We get on the ramp, first ramp. Alright. Oh, stop. Right there. Second hit. Oh, man. Me flipping like, what the fuck was that? And me like, bro, I broke a wheel. Oh, man, it's like, walk it all off. There we go. We fucking lost. So we got like a full, like, 2,000, 4,000. There we go. Then that's all. Dude, then I have to fucking like go back to some different fucking maps, like 40,000. This one or the other one. I was like, what one should I pick? I was like 30, 40, the 40. Then I went back, I was like 22. Let's do 22. Okay, then this, it's total bullshit. Right here. Total bullshit. Right there. Exactly right there. Bullshit. Bro, I do this race so good. But this one. Right there. I fucked up. Bro, I must have not win that. And I fucking got into the next round. Bro, then I have to fucking like I got a bad start on this one. I had to fucking like, I messed up. Like, God. I'd be like, fuck. Where am I going? Now I'm like, I was fucking lost. And I'd be like, fuck you. And look at it. Here's one. I only got like what, 1,000, 2,000 bucks on it. I just lost 150. Oh my god, bro. Like, holy shit. Me be like, fuck. Here we go, now we're doing 40,000. I'm at 27,000. Now we're doing like 40,000. Let's do 40,000. Now 35 after. And guess what? The fucking freestyle. I didn't want to do it, but guess what? I still did. I still do. But I'd be like, 51 seconds. That's not right. Because you could have like, what, 2 minutes? I got 59 seconds. I'd be like, bro, real Monster Jam, you get 2 minutes. Now, this fucking Monster Jam fucking game, you only get a minute? Like, what the fuck? I went back to a minute because I got the blue shit already. I'd be like, here we go again. Now, I'd be like, let me just do some shit. And I'd be like, I'm just gonna destroy it. I'd be like, oh, I just missed that shit. I'd be like, I just missed it, so I get a free prize for line and stop. So I can get a free prize. So I flipped, like, oh, I didn't break that axle? What the fuck? So I'd be like, I got 27 seconds, like, what the fuck? I'd be like, I have like nothing. I have nothing in me anymore. I have like, I fucking ran into a fucking container. I'd be like, I'm just gonna cross this shit first. I missed. So I'll go back. Nope. Yeah. Go back to this one. So I fucking flipped that shit. You're not supposed to be seen. Yo, it's almost the end, so like, I might just end it right here, so peace.